what is energy?
Sir, capacity to exert a force through a distance.
Okay. So can you say the formula for it?
Energy is equal to force into distance. Sir.
Okay. Switch off your audio.
Okay, sir.
So work is a part of energy. It is also defined as the same definition for energy. Okay. Please make a note of it. The work is done. Write a definition for it. The work is done by a force. The work is done by a force as it acts upon as it acts upon a body moving in the direction acts upon a body moving in the direction of the force For example, I have a workpiece, so I am going to apply a force on that workpiece. So it is the rectangular box shows that it is my workpiece, so I am going to apply a force in that workpiece. So due to that force, the workpiece will reach a particular position. It depends upon the quantity of force. So the particular distance moved is called, we are calling it as a distance. So our formula is W is equal to force into distance. Our formula for work is force into distance. So the definition is the work is done by a force as it acts upon a body moving in the direction of the force. So I'm sure that it will move in the direction of the force. There will not be any opposite force. So we can say that the action of a force through a distance is called a mechanical work. So if you are talking about mechanical work means the action of a force through a distance is called mechanical work. So actually I drawn one example for a work. Here I have a system. The system contains a battery and a motor. Here I shown a dotted line. The dotted line shows the system boundary. Okay. The dotted line shows our system boundary, and a fan is connected to the motor with the help of a shaft. So here some kind of work is going to be happen. Actually the battery supplies electrical energy to the motor. Due to that electrical energy, the motor will convert the electrical energy into mechanical work. That mechanical energy is transferred to the fan. Here the work is transferred from the motor to the fan. So the work is transferred from the system to the surrounding. Okay. Here the work is transferred from the system to the surroundings. Fan is not our system. Actually the system boundary includes only battery and the motor. Okay. So the motor supplies the mechanical energy to the fan. Actually, the purpose of fan is to create a kinetic energy of air. Okay. So here the work is transferred from the system to the surrounding. So there are two kind of work is placed in our definition. Actually, here I'm having two systems. Here I'm having two systems. Okay. So the work in one system, the work is transferred from the system to the surrounding. In another system, the work is transferred from the surrounding to the system. Okay. Here the circle shows our system boundary. Okay. Other parts are our surroundings. So there are two types of work is available. One is the work is transferred from the system to the surrounding, and another one is the work is transferred from the surrounding to the system. So the arrow mark shows the difference. Okay. So here the work W, the work is mentioned in W. Here the work is positive. Okay. Here the system provides the work. Okay, so it is a positive work. Okay, in second one, work is negative. Why? Because the system consumes the work from the surroundings, so it is a consumption. So the consumption is mentioned as negative one. Okay, so there are two kind of work. One is positive and another one is negative. If the system supplies the work means it is called positive work. If the system consumes the work means it is called negative work. Here we can say few examples for this. Actually, let me take a generator. Here the system is mentioned as generator. Actually, whether it is a positive kind of work or negative kind of work. Roll number 97.
Yes, sir.
Can I please assume the generator. Here the generator is taken as a system. So whether it is a positive, it will produce a positive work or it will consume a work. Can you understand what is my question is?
Yes, sir.
Here the system is generator, okay?
Yes.
Whether it will consume the work or it will produce the work.
Produce the works.
Actually, the generator is, the purpose of generator is to supply, what is called?
Current.
Current. Here the generator
Current.
is producing a electrical energy, okay?
Yes, sir.
So it is a positive kind of one. Here the system supplies the work to the surroundings. So it is a positive energy. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And roll number 95.
Yes, sir.
Can you give us some example for negative kind of energy? $95.
Yes, sir.
Kishore Kumar.
Yes, sir. 95.
Suggest me. Solluga. Can you understand my question? Give me an example for negative work. Can you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Then give me an example.
Wind energy.
கணக்கு புரியல.
Wind energy.
Wind energy. Generator is a best example for positive work. Okay, it is supplying electrical energy. Okay. So opposite to that, can you assume anything?
Yes, sir.
Tell me an example for it. Now, can you understand the question? If you understand the question means you can be able to answer for it. Kishore Kumar, is there any problem?
Yes.
Then give me an example for it, man.
Wind energy.
I'm asking about the system. I'm not asking about the energy.
System.
And now we can say motor, we can say fan, we can say washing machine, we can say any kind of energy systems consume electrical energy. It is called a negative system. Okay.
Negative system. Okay, sir.
Generator is providing energy, so it is called positive one. Then we can able to say that the opposite things. What are they called? The system uses motors. So it consumes the energy. It consumes the electrical energy. So we can say that it is a negative kind of energy. Okay.